Final day of sick week. It's been a long one more day of racing. It's not the final day for us, unfortunately, because we have a long drive back. I think the only thing I really got out of this was a nice sunburn on my nose. I was wearing a toque yesterday, so my ears are a little bit better. A toque is like a beanie for all you foreign folk. Loaded up, 150 miles to Bradenton. See you guys there. Racing starts at 2. Here's our second place stick shift car. The Wild Dorito. Crazy is second and third place in stick shift right now have literally the exact same average time down to the thousandths. He's just winning on mile an hour because his average mile an hour is 2 miles an hour faster. It's literally whoever goes faster today will win between those two guys. So new cameras come with new problems, and unfortunately my audio jack was unplugged for all of my footage for the final day except for a few selected clips that had some voice. I had no idea how that worked, but it did. So bear with me because we got a story to tell. So here's the beginning of the video. I'm probably talking about how we're stupid and Canadian and we've unpacked this car 7 times already, but fortunately this is the last time that we're gonna have to unpack this thing. So you race weaker guys are kind of crazy in the fact that this is like a stupid event. It's not even that fun. You're exhausted and tired and you don't want to do it, but I think you do it for the story afterwards. That's the biggest thing. It's a cool story. Now, this is Stick Shift Syndicate. She actually did an interview. Fortunately enough, her audio did mess up, so you can find that interview on her channel, Stick Shift Syndicate. I'll put a link down below for you. She was a super nice girl. She's a racer herself. She had a ZL1 Camaro, and then she has a Nova too, I believe. Hey, it's Dave. Dave the Jew. We were calling him Tony because he's from New York. We were calling all the New Yorkers Tony. Tony! Oh man, this green RX-7. The coolest thing ever. It's on a 275 radial, big block car, twin turbos, which, I mean, it makes probably a million amounts of power. But the fact that he was running 6 all week on like a 275 radial, look how cool that was. Oh, Sean Force burnout coming up right here. Watch it. Yep, not letting off, not letting off, not letting off. And then he makes Tyler run 1/4 mile down the track to back him up. This is actually the Ultimate Iron class, and I believe they won it with this pass, 7-1, I believe, with like a 7-something average, low 7s, and they finished 4th or 5th overall too, which is really cool. BoostedLifestyle.com for all your merch. I don't sell that shirt anymore, but you can get the cool new ones. Oh my god, if you're looking at anything but my mullet in this clip, you're probably doing it wrong right now. I don't even know what I'm explaining. Just look at it. Oh, it's got like the little flip at the end. It's getting long enough that I could probably braid that thing. And I completely ignored what I was about to say. Oh, Mr. Canadian G-Force right here. He's probably going to tell us that he slams gears. Actually, I think we were talking about how if he went 920 right now, he would have an 8-second average. Or if he goes less than 10 seconds, he'll win the overall stick class because they couldn't physically go any faster than what their cage was certified for. So he needed a 10.0 to win the stick shift class, 920 for an 8-second average. And he'll do a little mediocre burnout because, I don't know, that was, after Sean Fink, that was not impressive. And there's Matt. Matt was super awesome all week. Hanging out, super cool guy, just a normal dude, man. Line it up. Like, I'm all stoked. I'm getting excited right now. A little bit nervous because we're 3,000 miles from home on a car that we didn't bring a trailer for. I can't believe how straight this car goes after seeing it last year where it was all over the track. 909, and there it was. That solidified his 8-second average. That was like an 897 average. Still looking at my own mullet though, to be honest. But that solidifies first place. We knew that we won stick shift after that. You can tell he's stoked. You know what he would have been more stoked about? He was complaining all week that there was no wine gummies in the States. And he was like, man, I could use some wine gummies. And it's not like, are you 50? And then now that I think about it, he probably is 50. You wouldn't tell though. You'd probably kick my ass still. And then this is second and third place, which is, ironically enough, they both had the exact same ET. I think it was like 9.464. Identical. And whoever won the race at this event was going to end up winning second place in stick shift. Which you'll see here that he blows the tires off. Spoiler alert. And then he pops it in the second, wheelies it, goes down. His name was Frank, and he was also from New York, so we called him Tony as well. Hey, Tony! I don't think they found our jokes as funny as we found them, though. And then Shane. This is right before he had that crash that everyone has seen, but Shane, I don't know how you see through those glasses, man. I was looking at them, and they're thicker than the glass in like a hockey rink on the thing. But super nice dude. He was super awesome. Him and Brent, super chill. Found him. Yeah, here comes the audio. We're getting a photo shoot done right now. So we're actually over here at the Freedom Factory where you had an open road and some nice scenery and stuff. And they're getting a photo shoot done with the car for a magazine. I don't know which one, but it is one. Found you. I was like, I bet you he's gone to the car wash or something to clean the car.
Your headlights work?
Yep. Look at that man right there. Look at that G-force man right there. The stick shift king, the GOAT.
That's right.
So you had fun.
It was great. This is an awesome event.
And we are fond of calling him the Canadian Chuck Norris, the man who drove his junk all the way from Canada to run the eights all week with an average in the eights.
Yeah, baby.
Oh my God, 897 Rich Keto. Dude, seriously, right here.
What's the helmet? Oh, he wants the helmet.
897, 78 at 159 mile an hour.
Yeah, baby. 100 faster than Bill Armstrong.
100 faster than Bill now?
Yeah, Bill Armstrong, if you're watching. Yeah, baby.
Right, glasses.
Hey, my dad was supposed to be up here. Yeah, thanks. It was an awesome trip. Come on, Dad, get up here. I mean, we drove 410 miles to get here today. We still got 3,000 miles to go home. So I would love to make more passes and run some eights today, but I got smart for too much.
And you're faster than Bill.
And I'm faster than Bill Armstrong.
Which is hard to do.
Which is really hard to do, yeah. So, thanks. Yeah, it's great.
Awesome. Congratulations, Rich. Seriously, it's awesome. Makes me so happy. All right.
You're the wiener.
Look at that bad boy.
Oh, yeah.
In the bro
You gotta wear it all the way home so we got nowhere to put it. Hey, did Kyle just do that?
Sweet.
Can I get a big round of applause
You know what that
for
means?
my van of
The third pedal?
Keith Turk.
You got 2 balls.
You look so good.
The Canadian math?
I know.
I love you, buddy.
In the
Love you
number
too.
3 spot with a 90438.
You're not gonna be able to take it off him now. I seriously don't know where we're putting it though.
We don't have any room.
C. 3. Adam picked the number, it's not my fault. 3 M C333M. It's Frank Wanica. Frank Wanica. They left. So Rick, where do they get it? Do we draw a new number? I don't know. Draw another number. Nick says, huh? Oh, they have to be present to win. Okay. B. 1 9 7. L is in Larry. Jeff Oppenheim. It's Jeff Oppenheim who's paying no damn attention. He literally is paying no attention. His co-pilot's like, hey dude, you just wanted gear benders. And Nick is literally handing it to him right now.
This is kind of funny to me, the beach, man. This is fantastic. Thank you.
Jeff wasn't paying attention because he can't hear him. Thanks for sticking with me on that one. I had a ton more footage, as you can see right here. Like all these video files, that was all from that day. And none of it had audio. The audio sounded like this. I'll insert a clip here. It was a little bit devastating when I went to go edit the video. I was like, damn, lost it all. But it's the best I got. We are actually 7,000 miles into our drive now on the odometer. I think about 7,100. And the circumference of the moon is 6,700 miles. So we've driven further. If we would have drove around the moon, it would have been shorter than what we've driven so far. We're about 2.5 hours away from the Canadian border and still half a day away from home. For me anyways. So next time I see you guys, I should be building my little trike thing. Peace easy. Get that V.